how to play fantasy hockey. Hey guys, in this video, I'll show you how to play fantasy hockey. Alright, so let's begin. So first of all, you have to log in your account and then you have to press on hockey right here. And after that, it's going to pop up this screen and you have two choices. You either join the league or you create one. I'm already in one league, so I'll show you the setup. And so if you wanted to create one, you just have to press on create, and then it's going to ask you the size of the team that you want, and it's going to ask you if you wanted to make it 2 points or head to head, each category, and some other options right here. So you press on create and then this screen is going to pop up. You have to copy the link, and then this is the league that you've created. You have to press on it and you have to press on league, and in here you have all the settings that you want. So you're just going to press on league manager and you have all the basic settings in here. You have the basic settings. If you wanted to change the league type, if you wanted to change the numbers of the teams, and also if you wanted to delete a specific team, you can do this in basic settings. And then here you have the draft settings and you can manage it as you want. And the scoring settings right here, which you can manage by yourself if you want. And the manager is right here. So if you wanted to remove a manager or something, you can simply go to managers and then you can confirm. Lastly, you have this invite. You can simply invite people and by copying the link and then send it to your friends, and all of you can play together. So that's basically how you can play fantasy hockey. So that's all for this video. Consider subscribing if you find it helpful, and I'll see you in the next one. Thanks.